Crop tool. The crop tool is used to trim, resize, and straighten images. You can select an area of your image, and everything outside the selected area will be removed when you confirm the crop. You can press Ctrl-Z to reverse the effect. Perspective crop tool. This tool allows you to change the perspective of an image. It's handy when you need to correct the perspective of a building or any object with straight lines. Eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool is used to sample a color from an image. You can then use this color as your foreground or background color for painting or editing. You can select any color on any part of the image using this tool. You can see I choose a random color using eyedropper tool to select same color for my rectangle. Spot healing brush tool. This tool is great for quickly removing small imperfections or blemishes from photos. It automatically blends the area you paint with the surrounding pixels. You can see my required area of picture is vanished and replaced by sorrounding pixels. No one easily can distinguish that something is removed from this area. Healing brush tool. Similar to the spot healing brush, the healing brush tool also removes imperfections, but it allows you to choose the source for the replacement pixels manually. Press Alt plus click to area which you want to put on spotted area. Patch tool. The patch tool is used for more advanced retouching. It lets you select an area to be replaced, and you can choose the source for the replacement pixels from another part of the image. Content-aware tool. This is a set of tools, content-aware move, fill, and scale, that use Adobe's content-aware technology to intelligently fill or move parts of an image. It's great for removing objects or filling in areas seamlessly. Brush tool. The brush tool is a fundamental tool for painting and drawing in Photoshop. You can adjust the size, opacity, and hardness of the brush to create various effects. Clone Stamp Tool. The Clone Stamp tool allows you to duplicate parts of an image by sampling from one area and painting it onto another. It's useful for removing unwanted objects or duplicating elements in a photo. Alt+ click on area which you want to clone or put in other area.